My grandma lives well into her 90s, sharing one simple habit they regularly enjoys: just 2 slices of pickled ginger each day. Ginger is a familiar ingredient in the kitchen, not only a spice, but often considered a natural remedy for health. My grandmother is now 90 years old and still keeps the habit of eating pickled ginger every day to support her health and maintain flexibility. The method is straightforward and can be done at home by anyone. Watch until the end of this video to learn how to prepare pickled ginger the right way. My grandmother passed down to me a very unique way of preparing ginger by steaming it. This method not only preserves all of its nutrients, but also softens the spicy taste, making it easier to eat and giving it a distinct flavor. It's especially helpful during the summer when the body can easily feel tired. To begin, preparing and cleaning the ginger is a very important step. Choose fresh, firm, and fragrant roots so that when steamed, they taste better and retain the most nutrients. Next, separate the ginger into smaller knobs, trimming off any old woody parts and removing any damaged spots to ensure good quality. Ginger is a precious herb rich in nutrients and special properties. Its natural oils not only provide a distinctive aroma, but also have antibacterial qualities that help support the body's natural immune system. Prepare a clean basin of water, add 1 tablespoon of salt and a small teaspoon of baking soda, then stir well. This mixture will help remove dirt from the ginger skin while also reducing bacteria and impurities. Next, place all the separated ginger pieces into the solution and soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. While soaking, you can use a soft brush or gently rub with your hands to clean the ginger more thoroughly while still keeping its thin outer skin intact. Note: it's best not to peel the ginger as the skin itself holds valuable essential oils with natural soothing and antibacterial properties, supports digestion. And in traditional practice, S is considered important for maintaining balance in the body. After soaking, rinse the ginger thoroughly under running water to remove any remaining dirt and sharp odor. This way, when it's steamed, the ginger will retain its natural flavor and stay safe to use. Finally, arrange the ginger pieces on a plate or tray and let them air dry before steaming. This simple step not only helps preserve the full taste and nutritional value of the ginger, but also reduces the risk of mold during storage. When ginger is properly cleaned and dried before steaming, the final result will be more fragrant, nutrient-rich, and safer for your health. If you find this tip helpful, don't forget to leave a comment or share your own experience so everyone can learn together. Once the ginger has dried, we can begin steaming. First, prepare a pot of water. Bring it to a boil and place a steaming rack inside. Next, arrange the cleaned ginger evenly on the rack, making sure not to pile it too high so the steam can circulate around each piece. Cover tightly with a lid and steam for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of the ginger pieces. As the ginger steams, it releases a gentle aroma, retaining most of its nutrients while softening the sharp spiciness, making it easier to eat and gentler on the body. This is the secret to getting the most out of ginger, suitable not only for older adults, but also for anyone who finds fresh ginger too strong. During steaming, if the ginger turns a deeper color, that means it's fully cooked. This process also transforms compounds like gingerol and shogal natural elements, known for their soothing antibacterial, digestion-supporting, and pain-relieving properties. Thanks to this, steamed ginger becomes even more effective, especially beneficial for seniors. After steaming, turn off the heat and gently place the ginger onto a clean tray. Let it cool naturally for a few minutes to preserve its full flavor and nutrients. Then slice the ginger into thin, bite-sized pieces. Cutting it thin not only makes it easier to store, but also helps the body absorb its valuable nutrients more effectively when enjoyed daily. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, known for its natural ability to ease inflammation, soothe discomfort, and improve swelling in the joints, making it especially helpful for those who experience arthritis or body aches. In addition, ginger is rich in amino acids and minerals that support circulation, keeping the body warm and flexible. Regular use of ginger may also aid digestion, reduce bloating, and help strengthen the immune system, offering support against colds and flu during seasonal changes. After slicing the ginger, thinly spread the pieces evenly on a tray so that all sides are exposed to the heat. You can choose one of two drying methods, sun drying or using an oven. If you sun dry, leave the slices out for about 2 to 3 days until they become slightly dry. Since it's raining today, I'll be using the oven to dry the ginger instead. How about you? Where are you watching this video from, and what's the weather like where you are? Leave a comment and let me know. It's always wonderful to see how far our natural living community reaches. Place the tray in the oven, set the temperature to 140-160 degrees, and dry for 6 to 8 hours, depending on the thickness of the slices. Drying not only helps preserve the ginger for longer and prevents mold, but it also enriches the flavor and gives off a pleasant aroma. At the same time, the nutrients in ginger become more concentrated, enhancing its effectiveness when used. Whether sun-dried or oven-dried, the ginger is ready once the slices are fully dry, yet still slightly flexible, not sticky to the touch, and retain their signature fragrance. When the ginger reaches this perfect level of dryness, we can move on to the next step, soaking the ginger to create a final product that's both delicious and beneficial for health. Layer the dried ginger slices into a clean glass jar. Once the jar is about halfway full, sprinkle a layer of rock sugar on top. Rock sugar adds a gentle sweetness, balances the sharp spiciness, and also helps preserve the ginger's flavor for longer. Finally, add another thin layer of ginger on top before moving on to the next step. Since there's quite a lot of ginger, I divided it evenly into 2 jars to make soaking and storing easier. When soaking ginger, the type of vinegar you choose will determine the final flavor. If you use grape vinegar, the ginger will take on a rich, sweet and sour taste with a subtle fruity aroma and a deep aftertaste, perfect for those who enjoy something unique and refined. Beyond its flavor, grape vinegar is also rich in natural antioxidants that can support digestion and promote heart health. On the other hand, light vinegar offers a milder, refreshing taste that's easy to enjoy and suits most palates, especially for older adults. This type of vinegar is rich in amino acids, which help stimulate digestion, soothe the stomach, and preserve much of ginger's natural flavor. That's why each vinegar brings not only a different taste, but also its own added benefits, making pickled ginger a flexible choice for many needs. Once everything is ready, seal the jars tightly. And just like that, you now have 2 jars of pickled ginger that are not only delicious, but also offer plenty of health-supporting benefits. Pickled ginger helps warm the body, promote circulation, support digestion, ease bloating, and strengthen the immune system, especially useful during changing weather. Store the jars in a cool, airy place, and after just a few days, the ginger will be fully infused, becoming crisp, fragrant, and ready to enjoy little by little each day. Once the ginger has been soaked long enough, you can enjoy it directly as a tasty side dish that also supports your health. Each morning, just 2 slices of pickled ginger can help awaken your taste buds, support digestion, keep the body warm, and provide comfort during cold weather. Grape vinegar brings a rich, sweet and sour flavor, while rice vinegar gives a lighter, more refreshing taste that's especially suitable for older adults. For storage, keep the jar tightly sealed, leave it at room temperature for 7 to 10 days to let the flavors fully develop, then refrigerate to enjoy gradually over time. And that's how we prepare and use pickled ginger as part of daily self-care to maintain long-term wellness along with steaming and pickling ginger. Remember to drink enough warm water, eat plenty of vegetables and fruits, and stay active with light exercise. The combination of healthy habits and simple natural tips will help keep your body warm, your digestion comfortable, and your immunity strong. Please note that the recipe in this video is for reference only and is not a substitute for medical advice or professional guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural health tips every day. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you good health and peace. See you in the next video.